Hello, my name is David Younghans. This is a quick demo of CacheAI. Here is our landing page. Going to refresh it. Let's begin. So, if you're a recruiter, you will come into the recruiter's account here. Inside the recruiter's account, they will first see a job posting. Now, these can be added or created here, edited or deleted here. Each job posting can specify visa situations, specific majors, schools, locations, salaries, and on-site, off-site hybrid work types. They'll also be able to specify skills and description of experiences required for the job posting, as well as the role itself. So a recruiter will then click on this job posting, which will have a group of candidates automatically tied to that job posting so they can track each job posting with their specified group of candidates. They can choose how many of these candidates they would like to see at a time. So if they'd like to see all of them, they could see 25. If they would like to see only 3 of them, they could see only 3. So we're just going to stick with 12. Inside the candidate pool, candidates are ranked based on the LLM search of what the recruiter wants to find. So this was for machine learning. Although this says 1, 2, 3, 4, this is not a true reflection of how the final product will look during its MVP stage. However, this is a beta. So, nevertheless, inside this candidate's card here, a recruiter can schedule an interview. Each candidate can get up to 5 interview requests, which they can accept or decline at their convenience. They'll also be able to add their resume for the recruiters ability to view, but it's a supplemental document and does not affect the search. They'll also be able to add their LinkedIn. They'll also have an additional unofficial transcript here for a recruiter, as well as a save, share, and download button listed here, not shown in this demo. So if a recruiter likes this candidate, they will simply click on this candidate. Profile appears. Like I said, this is a demo. These buttons have changed. Nevertheless, sticking to it, each candidate can have their GitHub, LinkedIn, portfolio, and GoGitLab, LeetCode, Dropbox, etc. listed here. They'll be able to have their experience, their skills listed here, up to 5 skills. Their experiences will be beneath them, up to 4 experiences, and up to 4 projects. This is where we get the value for the LLM search to rank candidates. We choose to get value here as opposed to the resume to reduce bias and influence from a resume, which can be unstructured, as 5 different candidates can have 5 different resumes, which can influence a search. Instead, we control the input by structuring the information in a way that reduces that bias and produces only candidates that match the quality of the search. So, now, moving to the other features that a recruiter can view for candidates, they can manually search for candidates. Let's say you have a very specific search that you would like, software engineer, for example. You wanted 2 years of experience. You wanted from Kansas University. You also wanted $75 an hour. CPT work for visa situation and remote. You'd be able to search and find candidates this way as well. And it works the same for that search additionally. Moving on to interviews. Each candidate and recruiter will have an interview scheduler synced to the Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. These interviews will be through Daily Co, and through their sync, it allows a candidate and a recruiter to be notified of an interview when it approaches. For a candidate, it notifies them with a request, and we'll get to that on their side. Nevertheless, moving on, a recruiter will be able to see candidates that they have scheduled to interview and rank them based on how well they feel about these candidates. They can see the transcription of the interview or take notes or see previous notes about these candidates. Here's the settings. Here's the accounts for businesses to manage multiple accounts if they have them. So, etc. Moving on to what a candidate will see. So if you're a candidate coming into our landing page, you will come here. A candidate will be able to add to their skills up to 5, be able to add to this section of their profile, to add their leak code, Go Get Lab, Dropbox, etc. These buttons have changed. Add their experiences and add their projects. They'll be able to upload more files, for example, their resume, see their interviews here, manage their interview requests here, and decline them or accept them, and follow their hiring process as well, and their settings. This is a brief demo of our product at CacheAI. Thank you very much, and have a good day.